Hello guys, welcome to your trading YouTube channel. Today we will be doing a scalping trade in the US dollar versus Japanese yen, which will be on the basis of proper technical analysis. Here I will apply trade according to my risk. You should never trade with over risk. Overexposure harms your psychology. See you in a while. Okay, sometimes we are losing. Let's see how much we can grow the account. Here we are doing scalping trade, where we will close the trade as soon as the market goes down a bit. Here the market has gone into overbought situation. There is a high probability chance of reverse from here. You are clearly seeing the trend of the market, which is uptrend. Earlier the trend was downtrend. Here we can get a good move to the downside. Our first task is to create a trend channel which gives clear trend information. This trend line has been respected by the market for a long time. This trend line is working perfect. Market will definitely come down, taking support of this trend line where we can catch a little move. Put second trend line on higher high, which will act as resistance. Always work on the same setup again and again so that you will master your setup. You don't have to work on 1,000 setups. Practice 1,000 times on just one setup. Trading is simple game if you have to follow the rules. Now we will draw a level here, which is an important level. The market has taken strong resistance at this level and has reversed to the downside. This level was created just a few hours ago. Market can go up taking support from here because our strong trend is uptrend. If the market does not go down with support breaking, the market can give a good move towards the bottom, which we will get to see the trend line breakout. Let me apply more trade here, for which I am doing sell stop place. There is a high probability chance that the market will move down. That's why I am placing more trades. This is my scalping trade, so my target point will be near the resistance level from where the market can reverse. I set the stop loss that we always place. Here my stop loss will be above the previous high, which is up 26 pips. We will close the trade if the market does not go down. Here I am running loss only. Let's see how far the market goes. That depends on the market. We can only apply trade. The head and shoulder pattern is being formed from where we applied the trade, which is a high probability reverse pattern. You will find such patterns in many places. This is the left shoulder of the market. Then it's the head, which is made of candle wick. This is the right shoulder, creating a proper head and shoulder pattern where the market can go down. This pattern is easily visible on 5-minute time frame. Now we have to wait till the market comes down. We will not close the trade before the stop loss is hit. If you like the video, then give a like. See you in a while.
A few moments later.
Nice profit guys. The market reacted the way we thought. Here the market has followed the proper reverse pattern. Our goal is soon achieved. Now the market is near the resistance level. It can reverse anytime from here. If there is a reverse from this level, we may see a good move towards the upside, but I don't plan to do more trading. Guys, our take profit is running around $1,700 here. We have not taken big move trade. We've done as much move catching as we want. We didn't have a big move for the full trade because the impulse move of the market is always big and the corrective move is smaller. I am closing all trades. We grow this account from $1,400 to $3,196, which is double. You can also grow this account, but you have to keep following the consistency and risk management. You will be able to work like a pro trader. If you want to master trading, then you should practice on the same setup again and again. You can earn money from the market of just one setup. Keep only one setup in your trading style and you will see profit happening. Let's meet guys in the next video. If you like the video, then like it. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.